Hi, I'm Michael Bolak. I'm winemaker for Pine Ridge Vineyards, and today I'm standing in the middle of Dos Olivos. Dos Olivos is our only vineyard here in the Oakville Appellation. It was named by our vineyard manager, Gustavo Avina, for the 2 olive trees that are at the entrance gate coming onto the property. We planted this vineyard with Cabernet Petit Verdot and Cabernet Franc. And the reason we chose those varietals is really due to the soil and the way it's made up. The soils here were formed by 2 forces of nature. One was the Napa River, which has crisscrossed through the valley here for thousands of years. And the other is alluvial fans. And that's when soil is washed down from the hillsides onto the valley floor. On the western side, they tend to be a little more gravelly, and on the eastern side, more volcanic clay. Both are excellent for growing Bordeaux varietals. The Oakville Appellation has about 6,000 acres planted. It's midway up the valley, so we have fog in the morning, which burns off maybe by 9 o'clock, warm days, and then cool evenings. It's that diurnal temperature that really helps ripen the fruit, yet keeps acidity bright in all the fruit that we're pulling off of here. Dos Olivos, of course, goes into the Oakville Cabernet, but I also use it in 2 other wines, the Napa Cab and Fortis. And I do that because this vineyard really shows a lot of bright acid. When I add it to the other wines, it tends to brighten them up, add cherry, raspberry characteristics. But the other reason is the tannins, very long, structured, elegant tannins that add complexity and depth to both of those wines and make them really interesting. Dos Olivos is one of my favorite vineyards, not only because of the fruit that it brings and the quality of wine that I get from it, but it is also the first red grapes that I pick each year. Start off with a little Chardonnay, and shortly thereafter, I'm bringing in Cabernet from this vineyard. Gets the whole season off to a bang.